What's going on, guys? Car Collector JS back here with another video. Today I'll be opening a blaster box of 2024 TOPPS Heritage Baseball. Again, just in Walmart the other day and saw this in there, picked it up. So let's see what we get in here. Just gonna open this box up real quick so we can get started. Haven't opened Heritage yet this year. I'm excited because as a Yankee fan, it's I believe it's to be Juan Soto's first card in the Yankees uniform. Let's see if we can pull one of those. I've been seeing some of his autographs in here, the red ink autos. They look sweet. Obviously, pulling that in a blaster box is next to nearly impossible, but you never know. So let's get into it here. First pack. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we got Mark Hanna, Robbie Grossman, Jason DeLay, Nolan Jones, Ryan Weathers, Alan Winans, rookie card there. Let's see, 2015 most valuable players, Josh Donaldson and Bryce Harper. Wow, that's interesting, 2015. Pete Alonso and Hunter Brown. All right, so that's pack number one. Not a whole lot going there. Let's see what we got in pack two here. Joey Wendell, Jordan Romano, Julio Rodriguez, Jordan, Palencia rookie, Alec Thomas, Wade Meckler rookie card. Then and now, Jim Palmer, Framber, and Spencer Horwitz rookie card. All right, so two packs down, not a whole lot going on so far. Still looking for a Juan Soto and a Yankees uniform here, but pack three, we got Devin Williams, Cal Raleigh, Tanner Bibby, Rangers first World Series card 2023. There's a Judge, Tovar, we got a Torque, Luis Garcia, and a Drew Waters. There might be some image variation, parallel stuff going on. I didn't do too much research into Heritage here of what's a short print, what's not. So if you guys see anything, feel free to let me know. All right, Brady Singer, DeSclafani, Shane Bieber, Sandy Alcantara, Kid Marlowe, Olsen, Butler rookie card, Nolan Gorman, and Emmanuel Valdez. Keep chugging along through here. Nemo, Lowe, Pasquantino, Coco Montes. We got home run leaders 2023, Otani and Olsen. Jared Kalenic, Devin Sweet rookie, New Age Performers Mookie Betts, and a Hernandez rookie for the Braves. Three packs left. Figured this would be kind of quick. Not a whole lot to get from Heritage, but saw it on the shelves, figured I'd give it a shot. Jack Swinski, Rosario, Kepler, CJ Abrams, Marcus Semien All-Star, Dusty Baker manager card, Framber Valdez, 400 save for Kimbrel, Kyle Schwarber. Two packs to go. Rasmussen, McClanahan, Mayhew, Estes, Bruhan, Brian Wu, Castillo, Pete Alonso. It's an insert, right? Yeah, some sort of insert there. And JP Sears. All right, last pack. See if we can save this break with something here. Jack Flaherty, Xander Bogaerts, Francisco Lindor, Evan Carter rookie card. There's a good one. 94 most valuable players. Frank Thomas and Jeff Bagwell. David Hamilton rookie card. Rizzo, news flashbacks. Space Mountain opens at Disney World, and Ronnie Mauricio rookie card. All right. So no Soto, no big names there. Not a whole lot going there, but I figured I'd just give it a rip and see what the deal is. I ordered a few Juan Soto Topps Now cards with the Yankees, and hoping to get at least one parallel so I can get it graded. Just kind of want him in a Yankee uniform for my graded card collection, my PC there. So, but yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.